In this module, we are going to see how we can install FFUF on our system. So without any delay, let's get it. First of all, go to Google and type FFUF GitHub. It will land you on these results. Click on the first link, right click on the code and copy this git URL. Go back to your terminal. First I move to, now here as you can see nothing is there. Now git clone the URL by typing the following command and wait for some time. It will be cloned on your local system. You can see it by using the ls command. As you can see here, it is successfully cloned here. Now move to the directory FFUF. As you can see, there are a lot of files. Now we are going to install this FFUF. So for installation, make sure you have Go installed already in your system, or to see it, just type Go and win. If the output comes like this, which means Go is successfully installed in your system. But if it's not, then you have to install it. Now I am assuming that you have successfully installed Go. So now let's start installing this FFUF. First of all, type Go and get. It will get FFUF from the internet, and now type Go build. Now successfully we have installed FFUF in our system. To see if it's installed or not, type FFUF and V. It says that it is successfully installed and we can use it. So to show the uses of it, I'm going now on a website called hackycorp.com, which is a free website to test our hacking skills by by Pen Tester Lab. Now copy this URL and go back to your terminal. Now type FFUF and then word list, and here is the word list. And as you can see here, this is the flag to specify the word list. Here is this flag is used to specify the website, and fuzz is the position where it will be fuzzed. Now hit enter and it will start fuzzing. It will say I will continue after it will finish the working. So finally it has completed fuzzing the directory. Now as you can see here, we are getting 301 status code, 200 status code. In fact, by default it will get all the response codes that are mentioned here. So let's say if I want only the 200 status code, then the command will be modified as follows. This -mc, which means match code, and this is 200 means status code corresponding to 200 will be reflected here, otherwise it will be not. Now hit enter and again wait for some time so that it will complete the fuzzing. Now I will continue after it has completed the fuzzing. You can see here that it has fuzzed all the payrolls which are in our word list at the position specified. It only matches the code which is 200, otherwise it will neglect. Now let's copy this one and see what's there in the directory. Go to the website. As you can see here, this is please don't report any security issue for this site. This is a recon challenge, and the key for this exercise is this is the key, which on submitting Pen Tester Lab, we can successfully complete the label.